I'm Mike. Hi, how are you?
Welcome. Today we will have a look at 3 different flat earth fools, and yes, one of them is Mike. So, today we will have a look at Mike, P-Brain and CC. Don't worry, it will be short videos, and I have a question to you. Who is the biggest fool? Let's start.
Just proving the static electricity here
Okay.
on Earth,
What?
a flat land. There's nothing in here right now.
Okay, it's empty. I see.
See that?
Yes, I see that. It's empty. Okay.
The only way static electricity could exist is on a flat, stationary Earth.
What? Evidence? No, you have no evidence.
Look at that.
Yes, it's empty. Oh dear, CC.
Ow!
Oh, did you hurt yourself?
I was hit by a pillow.
Hit by a pillow? Oh dear.
There you go. All right. Proving the Earth is flat.
No, CC, you didn't prove that Earth is flat. You proved yourself to be a lunatic, a fool. Over to the next fool.
I'm Mike. Hi, how are you?
Hi Mike, I'm fine. Thank you for asking.
I'm sorry for telling your children the truth. I'm not out there for your children. I'm out there to take your retardation out of your parents and let them know that the Earth is flat because they've been lied to. And guess what? I'm not selling drugs to children.
Oh, I'm so happy to hear that, but perhaps you are taking drugs?
It's hilarious. I have never drank a day in my life or done drugs. Those are the facts.
So, Mike doesn't drink or use drugs. So what is his problem?
That I cannot control the way you think when you get high or drunk yourself.
So those who believes that we live on a globe is drunk or high, according to Mike.
So this is a little statement for the younger ones out there. I'm a very, very good role model for your children, okay? I tell them the facts, I don't lie to them, and I would highly prevent them from doing drugs from any kind whatsoever.
Is Mike trying to start some kind of weird kindergarten?
Because when they follow in your footsteps, they're being lied to and led in the wrong direction.
So the right direction is to believe in a flat earth fool.
I'm going to tell them the truth. When they approach me, because I'm not following them, the parents are following me and attacking me on the streets of Assiniboia.
So people are attacking Mikey on the streets of Assiniboia? What is he talking about?
It's funny what happens when you record live on YouTube, especially when someone tries to run me down with their truck.
I must agree with you, Mikey. That's not okay to try to run you down with a truck.
Little penis time today. Sorry, I have a little penis. I need to drive a big truck. I am a big, strong man.
Okay.
Anyways, these are the facts. NASA uses CGI in cartoons. Good luck, boys and girls, with that one.
Now I'm confused. He's changing the topic all the time. I wanted to know more about the truck and the tiny.
And hey, by the way, stop lying to your children. Okay? You are the people, so-called adults, lying. Okay? I'm sorry that my car is highly educational for them.
Your car is educational? What?
Okay? Because I give them the facts. But in regards to talking to your children, I don't want to talk to them. I want to talk to you. That's why I'm going to the hockey arena, because there's a hockey game going on there.
So Mike is planning to go to the hockey arena because the children is playing hockey and he wants to talk to their parents. Did I understand that one correct? I believe the parents in that case wants to look at their children playing hockey, not discussing flat earth with Mikey.
And no, I am not doing laps and laps and laps around the hockey arena.
Okay, no laps.
I film live on YouTube, so
And?
I would have some kind of evidence between what I'm talking about, rather than someone telling falsified stories to the police, which is also an offense. So good luck. I will be reporting those who attack me. Thank you very much. I do know my rights, by the way, and I can film out in public, on public streets, sidewalks, public buildings. Ooh, maybe Mikey might know a few things. Uh-oh!
Oh dear, he's going that route. Soon he's chasing police at the streets.
Bye-bye. Good luck. I'll see you tomorrow at 8:30 in the morning. I'll be driving around, speaking the truth. Ba-ba-ba-ba. Thank you. Bye-bye. Oh, and by the way...
Oh dear, what a fool Mike is. Let's continue with the last fool for this time.
Okay, I wanted to show you guys this. I happened to catch this. I saw the plane go overhead, and it was about, when I looked up, it was about halfway up in the sky, and I was like, oh, it's a nice jet trail, but I didn't want to shoot, take a picture or video of it because I have a bunch of video like that where I didn't get the full sky, and so I said, well, let me wait and see. So I shot this just moments after it went over, and you can see I got a nice 180 degree view. So this is a high altitude plane leaving clouds, right? It's jet trail. Some call it chemtrails. I don't know what it is, but it's definitely leaving a cloud. And these clouds stay in the sky and they spread out and they mark up your otherwise nice blue sky. Now, just as an aside real quick, this wasn't this way when I was a kid. Never. There were no clouds generated by airplanes. I just want to say that.
It's contrails and planes when P-Brain was a child did leave those in the skies too.
Okay, so the reason I took this was, what a great perspective shot, right? This is a high altitude airplane coming over, and this is how the sun rises and sets on a flat Earth. This is how the stars and the moon seem to appear to rise at the horizon and go down at the other horizon. Perfectly explained by this jet trail right here.
In what way did these contrails explain how the sun, moon and stars works on a flat Earth? These contrails showed how it works on a globe.
So, just wanted to share that. Cool, right?
No, just stupid.
All right. Thanks for tuning in. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Can you not see that?
I have to agree with Bob the Science Guy. Can't you see that this is great proofs of a globe? Okay, that was today's fools. Which one is the worst fool according to you? Yes, I know, it's hard to decide because all flat earthers are big fools. On Monday, I'm going back to Ukraine with parts for building kamikaze drones. So thank you, all of you that have donated money. If you want to donate, please use PayPal. It's very important. At the moment, the Ukrainians don't have enough ammunition and so on, so they can defend themselves effectively. Therefore, the drones is so damn important. So you're helping saving Ukrainian lives. Thank you. So that was all I had for you for this time. I don't know when I will be able to publish my next video. I will have my computer with me to Ukraine, so I will try to make some videos when I'm there. But I will see you soon. Have a nice day. Bye.